say that and then you call.
Well, answer.
I'll always answer.
Quick, 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 quick.
Fine. Just no more flowers.
Quick, 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 quick.
You're not coming?
You have to know when you're beaten, Robert.
It's not that simple.
Chevalier, good to see you. Barbara, good to see you. And illustrious Dr. Oppenheimer. I'm the consultant. Please, please. Now, you say a word about organised labour on campuses. Yes? Coming through! Coming through! I work at Shell. We signed up chemists, we signed up engineers, scientists and academia.
Teachers are unionized. Why aren't professors?
Quick, quick, quick.
You have somewhere to be. Rights. Academics have rights too. It's not that. I've got a group coming. I'll sit in. Not this one.
Ooh.
Richard, Dr. Bush, what brings you two up north? Richard, you tell Ruth I'll be down to Pasadena Thursday.
Hey, for a black hole? Where's Harlan?
Everest? Oh, você.
The world's gonna remember this day.
Você.
Oh, Harlan, our paper, it's imprinted.
Keep it upstage.
During the Battle of Britain, I found myself increasingly out of sympathy with the policy of neutrality that communists advocated.
But after Hitler invaded Russia and we became allies, these communist sympathies for their return?
Hey.
No. I need to make clear that my changing views on Russia did not mean a sharp break from those who held different views. For a year or two, and during